Hello and welcome back to Kochen Küche with Klaus. Today again in the German Alps out here. I'm Klaus and today I want to show you how to cook a German dish in the kitchen. Come on in. Today we are making Schupfmudeln with sauerkraut, and because no German dish is finished without some meats, some Speck. Of course we need potatoes. We have some left here, a whole bunch, because potatoes are always good to have, done and ready. What we have to do is those, peel them, smash them, wonderful. Then we put some flour into the mix of the little mashed potatoes, and then we put some eggs, probably one or two. We'll see how much we'll be making. We flavor it with muscat nuts, nutmeg in the English language, and then salt and pepper, of course, because without it we would be lost. And Speck, you will see, it's a delicious dish. I love the Speck because meats are always good in any dish. So follow me. So first step, as always, when you work with potatoes, is to peel them. There you have it, one down. Let's continue. For demonstration purposes now, I have three still boiled and peeled potatoes here for you. So now we have to mash them, obviously, to make the Schupfnudeln. So you can use some dedicated hammer, or you can use a certain machine, but we here in Germany, we use our hands for this. It works really well. And already, so you have it, mashed potatoes. Then, when you have mashed your potatoes, you want to add some egg and a little bit of the flour. So let's add the egg here, wonderful, right into the mix. Then let's just mix that up a little bit. Wonderful, put the egg with the potato. That's always a great combination. But you will see, oh no, it's a little bit too soft and not really, it's kind of a mess. So we put in more flour. Yes, we need the flour more. I think we just put all of it. Let's see what happens. Oh. And there you have it, wonderful little Schupfnudeln. We season them with nutmeg and also salt and pepper. And yeah, Look at them, wonderful little nuggets.
Klaus.
The old ones got sticky, we had the wrong potatoes. Now I almost forgot to introduce you to one of the most German ingredients overall. This is the sauerkraut. It's sometimes my grandmother, she said, sauerkraut, you have to really make sure you know what you're doing with it. Because it's not only that you cut the slaw the right way, no. Yeah, you also have to have the right amount of time with it. Because if you don't let it sit, the sauerkraut, and you mash it sometimes as well, then you don't have a good sauerkraut. You won't end up with a good, solid sauerkraut that you can use for everything. It has lots of vitamin C and also helps with digestion. It's really good for pregnant people. It's really wonderful. You should get your hands on some of the sauerkraut. Really wonderful. So now we go on to make the speck. We want to have small little pieces of speck, which is basically smoked ham. I would say smoked and cured ham or bacon or something of that matter. I don't really know the differences in the English language between the things. Look at these small little meats. It's raining meats. Hallelujah, it's raining meats. Hey meats. So now you should be ready. You have all these ingredients. You have the Schupfmudeln, you have the sauerkraut, you have the meats, the speck, and you have the butter to fry them in. So let's go fry them up in the kitchen. We use some butter, about this much, and we put it in the pan, and we wait. For the Schupfnudeln, you can just dump them in like this into the pan to fry them up wonderfully. Now after they have browned a little bit for about 2 to 5 minutes or so, then we just take the speck and we add it into the Schupfnudeln for the extra meat flavor. We can add the sauerkraut, which is gonna make the flavor come together. After you see the sauerkraut dry off a little bit, you're done. You can see the golden brown Schupfnudeln, the sauerkraut a little bit drier, and the speck nice and crispy. Now we take this off and we serve it. There you have it, Schupfnudeln mit Sauerkraut und Speck. Very good. Join me next time for Küchen with Klaus. I'm Klaus when I cook another German special dish. I stick to my fingers